In the shadows of history, there exist agreements that quietly redrew the world map, shifting borders and altering destinies without the noise of battle. These were the unsung moments where diplomacy triumphed. As powerful leaders gathered in opulent chambers, their pens became instruments of change, sealing fates and forging new alliances that would reshape nations and influence generations to come. With each stroke of ink on parchment, new boundaries were drawn, revealing the intricate dance of power and negotiation that continues to echo through our borders today. As the years progressed, the consequences of these agreements became evident. Lives were transformed, allegiances shifted, and the very essence of national identity was rewritten. In the modern era, the echoes of past decisions resonate loudly as communities confront the realities of borders that once promised peace, but now often sow division. In the corridors of power, the legacies of those who signed these agreements remain, serving as both lessons in diplomacy and reminders of the peace that can emerge from the ashes of conflict. As nations strive to heal old wounds and build bridges between cultures, the stories of hidden treaties remind us that collaboration is always possible, paving the way for a brighter future. In classrooms and libraries around the world, the narratives of these pivotal agreements continue to spark conversations, shaping how young minds perceive the complexities of diplomacy and global citizenship. As we honor these moments in time, monuments and exhibits serve as reminders that every treaty holds the power to inspire hope, fostering a collective commitment to a more peaceful tomorrow. Through the voices of historians and educators, the narratives of these treaties are revived, encouraging us to learn from the past as we navigate the complexities of our interconnected world today. In the ever-evolving landscape of international relations, the lessons from history are not just stories of the past, but crucial insights that guide us as we seek solutions to contemporary challenges.